Even though I've left college a few years ago, it's funny how I still find so much value in taking notes and perfecting the notes I take. A learning journey is never truly over, and I've been reflecting on the truth of that statement as I make my way through individual learning opportunities, finding new books and topics to explore, and diving into whatever pursuit my curiosity leads me to. As you become more independent and detach yourself from the methods you've learned for the sake of efficiency and academic success, you discover what works for you and what helps you establish your pace, your process, your technique. And suddenly, you are no longer following the crowd and doing what everyone else is doing, which, in a way, is simply just basic. As you fine-tune the process and learn more about yourself, you finally become able to draft the most advanced and wonderful notes. Like a personal encyclopedia, you'll feel so much joy creating. And I find some curious things now. For instance, the importance of changing your mindset about how notes should be taken. While in college, I was so focused on creating beautiful, well-written notes, I now understand the value of looking at this little repository of knowledge as a personal, customized collection of memories and concepts, laid out in whatever format helps me remember it better. It makes sense to me only, and instead of selflessly catering to others' methods or techniques, I'm making sure I'm jotting down this simplified account of my knowledge for my eyes only. As I've been taking more notes and engaging in this mindset, I also noticed that repetition is key. My class or meeting notes aren't supposed to be read like an essay or a poem. I no longer feel like I have to make an effort to try and find synonyms when trying to convey my ideas and come up with a perfect literary piece. Repeating words, even if it's not Shakespeare, is fundamental for memorization. As you find the same word or idea repeated multiple times in the same paragraph, maybe in a slightly different context, you'll identify key ideas about that word, instead of having to navigate through different meanings, synonyms, and pronouns, and try to interpret the meaning of your jumble of words. Another thing I've learned to do is, in the same way, valuing my words and my summaries a bit more. Maybe creating a contents page or table of contents for my notes. Slipping that in my notebook or binder to help find my way through what I've written, my conclusions, my questions and concerns. After all, navigating those thoughts is like looking through a map. And sometimes you need to be quick, efficient, and know where to find information on the go. So having this map nearby can be incredibly valuable. Sometimes the biggest change is in the smallest things. Shifting your view, turning the page, looking at the world upside down can be so helpful. Turning your page and opting for landscape notes, for instance, can offer so much space to help organize your records in a different way, bracketing information, concepts, and ideas along the page, structuring your thoughts in a new way. And as you make these notes personal and yours, creating your own secret code, only yours to interpret and develop, it can speed up the writing and reading process, which can be especially helpful for visual learners. And there are so many different combinations and colors to try to make the notes your own, that you're allowed to have a little fun with this. And of course, your preference may be digital notes instead of handwritten notes. And if you're looking for the perfect software to help you organize them, as well as organize your entire life, achieve your goals, and live a life aligned with your values, Notion, who's sponsoring today's video, can help you with that and so much more. Notion can be used individually or to collaborate with other people. You can organize anything in your life with all of its templates and tools, including habit trackers, journaling pages, keeping track of personal projects, work schedules, networking events, and so much more. I even have my own personal Notion templates that you can download using the links in the description box below. You can use and explore Notion anytime you want and for as long as you like, because your personal plan is literally free, with no restrictions. It's the best investment you can make, and it doesn't cost a cent. To start using Notion today and get your free account, as well as download all of the free templates below, you can go to the link in the description box or click the button on the screen right now. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys!